What's your solution?
The solution for what? To this challenge here that they're able to make all these movies, tell the stories, put in the schools, put in all this stuff.
That's not my issue. My issue is our support of Israel, and my issue is like Israel's control over our government. That's my problem. It's not these fucking movies. That's like proliferated shit. My issue is that Israel is controlling our government. They have, Mossad operations to get dirt on our politicians. They're fucking bribing our politicians. That's my problem. Okay, and they're doing it to the U.S.'s detriment. And they're going to drag us into one more fucking war where we have U.S. citizens dying for fucking Israel.
Yeah.
As a veteran, you should not want to fucking see that.
I'm not for it.
Because Iraq was a fucking joke, and we did that because that dumb fucking Netanyahu got in front of Congress, lied out of his ass, and said there's weapons of mass destruction when everybody fucking knew there was.
We said it as well, bro.
No.
We said
it for him.
No, it's not about it. Didn't come from him. It could have come from him, but we did it as well.
He testified in front of Congress.
I remember that.
That there was weapons of mass destruction. And it was complete fucking bullshit.
But we said it